Go. Okay. Oh, look what Squidward's doing. Yesterday when he was big and he got muscles, I saw him looking some ice cream. Hard ice cream. And it was pink. Look. I don't remember that word.
Sound it out.
8.
Mm-mm.
Oh, I didn't remember this.
What's the A sound?
At. And. At. Us. SpongeBob and Patrick. Stood. And. Front. For. Of Squidward. Squidward did not look up from his book. Whose book is that?
Squidward's.
Oh. Okay, hold it down.
Got it.
Now hold it down here. Patrick and SpongeBob took
another
look at Wait, let me see what he's doing. Wait, let me see.